Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to break a recurring deposit in Yes Bank Online. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First step is log in to online banking by visiting the www.yesbank.in on your web browser. Then access your Yes Bank online banking platform by logging into your account. Upon logging in, you'll be sent an OTP through messages or call, which you will then enter on the next page to complete your login. Once you have seen your account on the screen, click the Deposits section, where you'll see the total amount of your deposit. Click View More Details to see your deposit breakdown. This will be where all your deposits are located. Select your desired deposit to break, then click the arrow down icon to see the details in that deposit. Below that, proceed to click Break RD. Confirm the details in the following page and input the OTP as well, then click Proceed. Now your current deposit has been broken. So that's basically how you can break a recurring deposit in Yes Bank Online. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.